Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on my ornaments that I got for my Christmas tree. I really love them, guys. I got the red and gold ones, which are super pretty, but they have different colors that you can choose from. They're also shatterproof, guys, so that's something that I really love. Let me go ahead and give you a closer look so you can take a look at them. So first off, we have the gold star. It's shiny, it's pretty, I really love it. And then we have all of these different types of ornaments, guys. It's not just one of them. We have leaves, we have acorns, we have snowflakes, icicles, we have shiny ornaments, non-shiny ornaments, glittery ornaments, so they're super pretty. One thing that I really do love about them, guys, is that they're actually shatterproof. So let me go ahead and show you with this sphere. If I drop it, it will not break. As you can see, guys, it did not break, so I really love that. Another cool feature about them, guys, is that they don't need any hangers. They already have their pre-made hangers, so you can just hang them up on the tree like this, and then it will hang. As you can see, I have all of my ornaments hung like that as well. And even though my tree already looks full, guys, I still have all of these ornaments left. 106 pieces in total, so I really love that. And at the end of the year, if you want to put everything away, it does come with this little basket here, and you can just put all of the ornaments back in their place and then put them in the little basket and store it for next year. So I really love that. But overall, guys, I really love how my tree looks with all the ornaments. They're super pretty. I really love them, and I would definitely recommend them.